What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. Thank you for supporting business channel with membership. We really appreciate it. In today's video, I want to show you cool stuff. Some of you asking me, hey, Crazy Russian, do you have like Russian stuff, Soviet Union? Yes, I do. Most of my locomotives from Roco with Zimo decoders, sound decoders, and I'm getting cars right now because I'm extending my layout. So good time to show you how to update firmware. So Zimo is this is the programmer and tester at the same time, so it's small like command station with 8 functions. You don't need a computer. You can use computer, but everything here on memory stick. Okay, so it can be any memory card, memory USB thumb drive. All right, so I download the files, latest firmware, and when you start, we're just doing after that, it will be quick, don't worry. Then I'll test it with that programmer as well, programmer tester. So I'm booting up the system and it tells me that's the firmware of the unit. Okay, that's the latest. I already updated, and tells me there is no files, means nothing attached to it. 3 buttons that will take care about it. So let's plug it in, and I'm using that nice, I really like it, Bachmann test stand process. Very nice. All right, so the light's actually not flashing because of the frequency, but that thing is flashing because I have also software file on the memory card, memory stick, for the programmer, but they're not independent. They're just not messing with each other. The first file is the firmware for the decoder. The second file, and I'm using first button and number 1, and the second file is actual sound file project I downloaded. Some of them free. This is free. Some of them you need to pay because it's like a lot of work to build that file. Okay, so I'm pressing first button, see what's going on. So it's reading CVs right now, preparing decoder for flashing that firmware. Okay, and it's updating very fast. Very important, make sure your programming track is absolutely clean and like flawlessly working, because I heard some decoders like something happening and they kind of frozen after that if they didn't get that proper information, synchronization. I don't have that experience. Sometimes it's happened, I just start it over and works perfectly fine. So we're almost done. That's going quick. The file for the sound is uploading about in around like 8-10 minutes, but the firmware is very quick, so we should be good to go. You can leave memory card when you're testing, but I'll just take it out. So we're good with this. Okay, update good. Okay, so we just press that button. It's booting up. Fine. Okay, now we're going to the test mode, and that's activating with this small button, and that's the kind of throttle. I'll use my left hand. So pressing like that. Now it's going to read, and we'll see what's changed. CV1 address, 17, 18, not important right now. 8, 145 decoder manufacturer, and 40 right there. That's software. It's starting right away with the sound and by default, and with the lights. So in that display you'll see F0, F1, F3. It's quite guide down, and then that's the first and second and third. So the second one will be buttons F3, F4, and 5 functions, and the 3, F6, F7, and F8. So we're going to 1 because I don't download on purpose the sound file with activating sound for European usually products with F function 1. 0 as usually lights, so I can turn the lights, you're not gonna see them, and I'm turning the sound right away. Yeah, I mean, it's the camera catching all that flickering stuff. No, eyes is not gonna see it. So that's pretty good. All right, F6, never mind. So we're going to 1 again, and F3. Oh, I'm pressing too hard. Of course, it's not like real command station with the throttle, but it's pretty good still. Yeah, that's if it's not momentarily, so it plays the fragment. All right, let's run it. It will indicate the very good question. Speed steps anyway. Indicator. It's actually running, moving. Some speed steps. Again, I like the stand because it's holding very well. And the Roco quality of the models, like, outstanding. It's yeah, it indicates you speed steps. Very nice. Squeaking noise, very nice. You can adjust everything, and we're just going to shut it down. That will be function 1. Alright guys, thanks for watching, supporting business, we really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye bye.